Good morning to all. Today we will discuss how to schedule an assignment or a class in a Google Classroom. I hope most of you have an idea about Google Classroom and you might have been taking classes in Google Classroom. So today we will study a small session how to schedule that one for the coming days, because many of have some difficulty to take the class at the exact time that is scheduled for you based on the institutions. So when you are free, you can do the class, you can make videos or you can make notes, and you can assign that for the time which is allotted for the group of students or the group of people. So we'll see how to do that. We'll go to the Windows screen. Is that okay? Okay, now we'll start step by step. Once you will open your mobile or a laptop, whatever it is, you will see this Google Classroom application. Just press on that. When you press, you will see a plus button on the right hand side down. Just press on that plus button. So it will show you two options. One is for join class, another one is for create class. So now here we have to create a new class. So press on that create class. When you will press on that, you will see what are some of the terms and conditions that you have to follow before creating the class. So just read that one and click on this button, then press the continue. Once you will press that one, you will open a new window in front of you. In that you will just write the name of the class. I just put a letter G, then the section H, then the room why you choose something that you will type what you want, then the subject might be English. Okay, then you will press here create until this is clear. So once we'll press create, automatically the class is going to create based on the information that you have typed. Once after finish this step, next one what we are going to do is we are going to assign that particular class to a group of students or a particular class. In that, now you can see this is the name class that we have created. In down of this window you can see three options. One is stream and another one is classwork and another one is people. So just below that one you click on the classwork. After you click on the classwork, you can see a green color button. Sometimes it might be a blue color button with the plus. Click on that. See, now the options are assignment, questions and material, reuse, post, topic. So what you will do means you will click on this assignment. Okay, once you will click on this assignment, you will type whatever the titles, then the instructions, which means that the students should attend this class at before 3 p.m. If you didn't attend this class this much time, you might be absent. Whatever it is, you can write. Then the due date, when the students have to finish the task that you are assigned for them. Okay, for example, we'll put here 23, then we'll press on OK. Then the time will give 3 o'clock. Okay, then press OK. Then the next one, the topic. Okay, write something, what is the topic, everything, then you will say. Okay, now the class details, everything has finished. Now the last step that we are going to do is schedule. For scheduling, before scheduling, if you want to add any photos or if you want to add any video that you have done before, which is there in your laptop or mobile gallery, you can take from here. Okay, for example, here I will take a symbol file that is okay, they are uploading that file. See, now you can see the files already uploaded. So what is the last step? That is the one what actually we have to do. Here you can see a 3 button on the right hand side upper part. Just click on that one. This is that the 3 button. Okay, when you click on that one, you will see 3 options: schedule, save changes and discard. Click on schedule. See, here now came Saturday 22 8 a.m. So you might be want to change the date. We'll put 24 or 23. Then press OK. Then put the timing 2 o'clock. Then put OK. Okay, now you put the timing and the date. After finish this one, you will click on this button, schedule. You see? So now the Google Classroom scheduled this class for 23 August 2 a.m. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, you want any more clarification, you can just mention in the comment box and they will go through that. Okay, bye, take care.